Self-made millionaires are individuals who have amassed significant wealth without relying on a huge inheritance or trust fund. Self-made people start from the ground up and grow their wealth over time, starting with basic money skills like budgeting and then moving on to saving and investing. My team and I meticulously outline 10 practices to help you create and maintain your wealth in this video. These habits require time and discipline to develop, so start with 1 or 2 now and add the others as your money management abilities improve. Here are the 10 habits the wealthiest self-made millionaire and billionaires have incorporated into their financial life that you can, too. But before then, if you're looking for someone to talk to one-on-one, such as a millionaire mentor, who will help you to become a millionaire like him, make sure to check the first link in the description of this video. Habit number 1. They look for other income streams. Millionaires and billionaires alike diversify their investment portfolios with other assets that offer passive income, such as rental houses. Although the average person is unlikely to own numerous properties, there are alternative rental options that can give additional passive income with no effort on your behalf. Renting out a room in your house/apartment or your car while you work are 2 options. 2. They avoid debt. It may seem self-evident, but avoiding debt is a habit that can improve your overall financial situation. Outside of their home mortgages, Dogs says his clients make a point of reducing and eliminating all debt. You cannot waste money on consumer credit, such as credit cards and even vehicle loans if you want to grow wealth. Because most credit cards charge exorbitant interest when you hold a load, pay off your credit card balances in full every month, and on time to keep a good credit score. Avoid using shop credit cards in general and only charge what you know you can pay off. They have a reputation for having minimal credit limits, hefty interest rates, and restricted functionality. That takes us to habit number 3. They buy their cars and plan to keep them long term. Cars, for the most part, lose value the moment you drive them off the lot. Millionaires buy, rather than lease, any new car with the intention of keeping it for a long time. They can use the time between automobile purchases to conserve money that would otherwise go toward a monthly payment if they kept their cars for a longer period of time. If you must finance the vehicle, pay it off as soon as possible and expect to keep it for a long time once the loan is paid off. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon to be notified each I post a video like this. Please like and share the video to friends, family, and others to be financially free. Habit number 4. They have emergency funds. Reserving cash that you may draw into when an emergency arises is one of the actions someone should take to develop a solid financial foundation. A rainy day fund that is instantly ready for withdrawals can help you afford an unexpected need, such as an urgent car repair or medical bills. You won't have to put the cost on a high-interest credit card or take out a personal loan this way. Millionaires and billionaires typically set away 6 to 9 months' worth of monthly expenses. Financial gurus recommend 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses as a baseline, but you should do what works best for your cash flow. Also, keep in mind that any donation would assist. Habit number 5. They invest. They developed investing plans, whether in stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds, after establishing an emergency fund. They set up an automatic transfer of funds from your checking account to an investment account on a monthly or bi-weekly basis. This way, you won't have to remember to invest manually, and you'll be able to learn to live on the money you have. They are committed to having that money in their cash flow, so they can use their investment funds for future car purchases, vacations, or other short or long-term goals without taking on further debt. As a general guideline, you should set aside at least 20% of your monthly income. This 20% goes toward your retirement and investment plans, as well as your emergency fund. The amount you set aside from your paycheck to invest is very dependent on your income and investment objectives, but getting acclimated to living without that 20% is a good place to start for both saves and investments. Make sure you understand how much risk you can accept and when you'll need the money before you invest. If you're saving for retirement in your 20s or 30s, You can afford to take on a little more risk in exchange for higher yields because you won't need your money for decades if you aim to retire in your early 60s. Those in their 40s and 50s have a substantially shorter investment time frame for retirement. As a result, people are more hesitant to take risks in order to better preserve their money. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share it, and tell me what you like about the video in the comments section. Habit number 6. They don't try to keep up with the Joneses. Trying to keep up with the Joneses is a common way for people to get into debt. However, living beyond your means repeatedly finally catches up with you. When it comes to accumulating riches, resist the urge to have the most up-to-date technology. These days, so much money is squandered on continual upgrades, which can cost you both money and time. It's natural to want to compare your life to others, but take another look at your lifestyle and budget, concentrating on what matters most to you. These are the wants and needs that genuinely matter to your financial well-being and happiness. Habit number 7. They utilize tax deductions. Millionaires and billionaires attempt to pay as little tax as possible when they can. Everything from retirement plan investments to home mortgage interest, charitable contributions, education funding, and health savings accounts can be used to save money on taxes. Make sure you're enrolled in plans and programs that can provide you with many benefits. It's a good idea to seek advice from a financial and tax specialist in this case. Habit number 8. They start saving for their kids' college early on. Many millionaires and wannabe millionaires use college savings programs to jumpstart their children's future education so they are less financially burdened years later. But the long-term advantages don't end there. When you pull money out of these plans to pay for education, you can do so tax-free. You can save a large amount of money in future cash flow and tax savings by getting started early. It doesn't take much to get started, but if you have the time, the potential of compound returns can be extremely advantageous. Habit number 9. They take advantage of everything their employer has to offer. It's important to thoroughly review your employer's benefit plans. Companies provide more than just retirement plans. They can also assist you in saving money and investing to increase your earnings. Taking advantage of some of the perks listed below can be beneficial to you. Employer retirement match. Make sure you're contributing enough to match any company contributions if you can afford it. To you, the match is essentially free money. Employer life or disability insurance. When compared to purchasing these insurance policies individually, your employer's group plans can save you a lot of money. Employer health savings account, HSAs. Some employers will match your contributions up to a specific amount if you qualify for an HSA. Contributions are tax deductible. Employer legal services. Check to see if your employer's plan includes legal assistance. If you ever need estate planning documents made, such as wills or trusts, you can save money on attorney fees by taking advantage of the legal services provided via your benefits plan. Employee stock purchase plans, ESPP. If your workplace offers an ESPP, you can usually contribute up to a set percentage of your salary to the plan, which allows you to buy company stock at a lower price than the market price. If you believe in your firm and its shares, this could be an additional cost-effective approach to increase your net worth. Please subscribe now before you forget. Thank you for doing that. Habit number 10. They seek advice. Finally, millionaires make it a point to stay knowledgeable about their finances. They have a rudimentary understanding of their incomes, their assets, and the value of their investments. Saving and investing money can be scary and perplexing for many individuals. Fortunately, there are numerous free online tools available to assist you. You can get this instructive content on the move or from the comfort of your own home. Subscribe to this channel and take a look at the description of the video for help to become a millionaire. If you're looking for someone to talk to one-on-one, such as a millionaire mentor who will help you to become a millionaire like him, make sure to check the first link in the description of this video. He will explain to you how you should invest your money and guide you to success. He will be your advisor, collaborator, as well as a teacher for you. See in the other side of financial success.